In this article, we aim to identify the changing barriers and facilitators that have contributed to gender inequality and the underrepresentation of Afghan women in public administration over the last 75 years under different regimes. We focus on one specific question. Over the last 75 years, what factors have contributed to the underrepresentation of Afghan women in public administration? To answer this question, we applied a two-step methodology. First, we developed an analytical framework of barriers and facilitators of women's representation in public administration. Second, we applied such a framework to the case of Afghanistan. In particular, this analytical framework was used to analyze relevant administrative documents and academic contributions. One of the main contributions of this study to global literature, especially for non-Western and Islamic countries, is how wrong interpretations of Islamic studies using religion as a tool to gain power and political changes can impact women's representation in public administration. Our key findings showed that the representation of Afghan women in public administration has been limited and passive in terms of both numbers and impacts. In particular, the socioeconomic and political realities, including regime change, have contributed to gender inequality and the underrepresentation of Afghan women in public administration.